Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to recover deleted messages on Discord. If you deleted important messages, this method will help you get them back using your account data. So let's get started. First, open Discord on your phone. Now tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Then tap on the settings icon at the top right. Scroll down and tap on Data and Privacy. Now scroll down again and tap on Request all of my data. Here, you can request your account data from Discord. If you have already requested recently, you may need to wait before requesting again. Now select Messages from the options. Then tap on Request. After that, Discord will send you an email with your data. It will come as a zip file. Download the file and extract it. Inside, you will find your messages data. You can open it and look for the messages you want to recover. So this is how you can recover deleted Discord messages. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.